Welcome to Traveling Rocks. Today I am putting one of the interesting video related on the cycling, Copenhagen cycling, and this is the route. I am very lucky. Here is my house and this is the main route for the bicycle. Just only less than 100 people are doing bicycle race, but it's very. This is the first position. And the security, the helicopter is also available in the top of the बोला हाँ आ गए चालू करो ना. Now look at this, rest of participate. Here very secure, TV too, and this is the champion. Oh, it's very huge. And the background, so many cars, police, the spares bicycles they carry from the start. बाप रे बाप, हेलीकॉप्टर भी है. All are Skoda. Skoda sponsor this festival, I think. The rest of information is available on the video description. So this is the final. So at the end, 3 ambulance also. ये बहुत नजदीक हो जाता है. बहुत नजदीक हो जाता है. ये बोला ना.
सही बोला.
वो आए शायद. वो आए. Sponsors, just they drive the car. People are very exciting to watch the cycling. So many people comes in the road. This is my road. In half an hour I can sleep, I can walk, I can dance, I can do whatever I want. Huh? How? ये आज वो ये भी है ना, होली. वो होली दहन करते ना, वैसे इनका एक स्कैटे फंक्शन है. स्कैटेज चलो अपन अंदर जाएंगे थोड़े. ये क्या आए ना बहुत सारे पुलिस वाले. So first time I saw so many foreigners in the road. The entire road is blocked just because of the bicycle competition here. How much time we need to spend here, as the policeman told you?
Half an hour, but after half an hour you cannot drive this way or this way, only straight you can go. But straight is,
And for this?
you can go to motorway from this way.
Okay, not
Where you
for
want to
this
go?
trip. I need to go Centrum, Rodova Centrum.
Then you need to go to motorway or Federation Way, then I think you can go.
Okay.
Because from I lived in Wellness also blocked, then you cannot.
Okay. Yeah, now they come.